Hazrat Muhammad bin al-Munkadir states that he heard Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu say, on the day of the battle of Trench, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam called the people, the companions radiyallahu anhum, for bringing secret information of the enemy. Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu thereupon responded. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again called them, but again Hazrat Zubair responded. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam again called them, and again Hazrat Zubair radiyallahu anhu responded. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, undoubtedly, every prophet has a faithful friend, and my sincere friend is Zubair. Sufyan the transmitter says, I have memorized it from Ibn al-Munkadir. And Ayyub said to him, O Abu Bakr, you may narrate to him Hadith Jabir radiyallahu anhu, for people like you are reporting from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu. He then in that very meeting said, I heard from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu. Then narrating many ahadith, he said, I have heard it from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu. I said to Sufyan that Suri said that was the Qurayza day. He thereupon said, I have memorized the word trench as you are sitting here. Sufyan said smiling, both are the same. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7261.